Ba't nilabas yung isang paa?
Ay, look at Nina.
Yan. Dahil pinrig yan eh. Ay, singkit na.
No, namamagalang yan. I am taking a video.
No, because pinrig siya yata. Tinignan niyo siya. Itsura niya.
Ay, biting ko lang sa kaya naglihok ko. Nagbuka-buka.
It's little John.
Hi, John. John Jr.
He's like, who the
Mateo,
heck are
paanohin mo?
you?
Kasi meron siyang may dimple siya. You need help mo na?
Tika lang, tita.
Nasilaw.
Masyado na ako ma-argue siguro.
Hindi. No, I feel bad.
Yo, he's so tiny.
Hindi, dapat mag-push ka sa likod.
Oh, anak, hinay-hinay.
Masakit?
Hinay-hinay ba?
He's looking around.
Pero itaas mo.
You can't touch him.
Hindi, dapat kasi
Hi, baby. Okay. Oh, he's looking at you, Jay.
Nakaganon siya.
It's like, what y'all doing here?
I think that taste in my back.
What up with his foot though?
Yeah, that epidural.
Do a test.
Merong yun ang masakit.
Yeah.
Alin yung nakakabit?
It woke him up. He has brown hair.
Siguro like I'm not used to it.
Bless you.
Nag-hatching. Did he fall asleep? Nag-hatching.
Nag-ano siya?
Ano?
Meron siyang dimples. Gising.
Wait, he has dimples?
Polo.
No, namamagalang yung eyes.
Just take out the straw for me.
Piolo.
Pascual?
Piolo Pascual. Ayaw. Oh, bless you.
Parang si Ella mag-sneeze na.
Lapit mo dito.
No, I did that already.
Hi, MJ. MJ. It's your Lola Chito. And Lola Baby. And Lola Sanja.
Tita Janice.
Tita Jerlene.
Ninang Janice.
Ninang Janice, Ninang Jerlene.
Everyone's
Uncle
the
Jason.
parents.
Uncle Jason. Their two second cousin. Ba? Naririnig ka na
He's
nakatingin
looking
sa'yo.
around.
Can you see the light?
He's like observing. No, I'm holding it.
Is he awake?
Your nose is your papa. Looks like your dad. Patawag niya mommy and daddy.
Anong gusto mo, man?
Ay,
Mommy.
nanay.
Tatay, nanay? Really?
Para kang si Joe tsaka si Larry.
Tay.
Tainay.
Mama lang tita. Simple.
Ayan,
Mami,
gusto rin
mas
ni
cute yung
John
mami.
Papa eh. Gusto ni John
sila.
Papa.
Mommy and daddy.
Papsi.
At least he has a chin.
Same si Mamsi.
He has a chin.
Can I touch his foot?
Yeah.
Ay, ba't ang itim, ano?
No, he did the the ink and then you put it on the on the paper, yeah.
He's trying to kick you, Jared. He's like, get out of my face.
I can touch
Get
his
out of
foot.
there. Ano yung isa? Yung maliit.
Just in case
Look,
I'm
tumatawa, oh.
No, it is. I'm taking pictures.
Look, tumatawa.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the
Oh, he's yawning. Oh.
Nangangatag yung nagyayong. Hello, MJ. Kanino ilang? Kanino ilang?
It's John's nose. I think it's mixed with Mona's nose.
I know the ear is mine now.
Yeah.
And then this one is John.
Let me see.
And the
The bottom
eyebrows
is John. The top is Mona.
John's eyebrows.
Ang singkit niya.
No, namamagayan. Ganyan din sila, Adrian.
No, I know, pero singkit pa rin siya. Look.
He is Chinese in his blood.
Sa bagay. 1:32 na yun. 1:32.
Adrian.
Look at the baby, look.
Come,
Look at MJ.
Come, you wanna see? He's awake. Mateo.
Wala si Tita.
Hello.
So you can see her. Careful.
Don't touch, okay? Just look.
Did you see the little feet?
Ooh,
Can't wait to do
yummy.
the peekaboo then.
No, he's gonna laugh. Meron mga yun naglilimbot yun sa mga aso, di ba? Yung kasha silip.
Oh yeah, the little.
Hindi na pang.
Sorry.
Popsy always has splash.
Magagalit sa'yo yan eh. O, tinan mo, oh.
Oh, sinarado yung mata niya tuloy.
Nag-ano ba siya?
I don't know. I didn't see it. Yan, bumubuka.
You go up?
No, tomorrow malaki na yan siguro. Or 3 days.
Kita na.
How tiny his feet
So
is.
cute. AG, don't touch a
Take a
cake.
picture of the pig.
Damn, man.
There's only one straw. And there's two.
Look at his feet.
You keep
Ano
shaking
yung
it,
ayan?
babysit the
Tingnan mo nga,
baby.
tayo ng
Adrian.
paa.
Adrian.
Adrian, you gonna give him all your toys?
You didn't teach him how to play the
Look,
computer.
he's kicking you. Look, he's
When
kicking
you're
you.
13, they're not gonna
shaking.
want toys anymore.
Hindi, nag-iinat siya.
Oh, you think his feet is
I
cold?
Lego.
Nag-i-stretch siya.
Lego.
Oh yeah, he's
I
stretching.
don't play with the cars anymore. Like,
Sana mabait, ano?
sometimes
Ano yung ba't?
I do racing when
You think he's cold?
Are you gonna give him some of your toys?
Hindi. Yan.
Feels sleepy.
Ay, hindi gusto. Dimples. Show your dimples. Show your dimples.
I see his double chin.
He has a chin, which is great.
Yan, galit.
Stop making fun of me.
Tomato?
Stop making fun of me.
Are you a tomato?
He's like,
Sumagot ah. Are you tomato? Ha?
Like there's a bit in his.
Adrian's like,
Red.
he said yes.
Is it black?
Hindi kasi inilagay yata sa ink.
Tabunan ko ba? Parang nilalamig.
Tago mo yung mga ano
baka
niya.
nilalamig yung feet. Is it cold? It's cold po. Oh, okay. He's cold then.
Asa mo yung dampen?
No, you can't.
Nilagay lahat sa kanya.
This thing. You
Binalot.
have to use the hospital.
Saan?
This one here.
Yeah, that one you have to open it.
You have to use. You know what this was?
You should give us an extra one. Manong gipagawas mo po nito?
I think this was one.
Everybody's got skies.
Everybody's here. Hi, I'm Jean. I'm going to be your nurse tonight.
Okay.
I'm just going to check the pump.
Amanda's done for the day.
Hmm?
Amanda's done for the day.
Yeah, Amanda's done for the day.
Hello. Show me your dimple.
He has here, I think.
Ha? So, he has a lot of dimples. Meron dito, meron sa mata, meron dito.
You should pull out pictures of John when he was a baby.
You want to play with the baby?
Pull out pictures of
Diyan,
John.
meron siya noon din.
Ganyan kaliit. He's
Yun
cold.
na nga yung meron siya sa mata. Tawag doon. Sore eyes. Sore eyes. Bakit sa'yo nakatingin? Alam niya yung camera kung nasaan. Punta ka dito.
It's gonna be like Adrian.
Are you a tomato?
Five.
Just kidding.
Are you tomato?
He's gonna be one.
He's hungry.
he's like, who are you guys?
Still one, and then two, and then three, and then four, and then five.
He's hungry.
Like me, right?
We back up a little bit.
What does that mean? What is that?
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Everybody's excited.
Yeah, sure. Just wash your hands. That's all I say.
Is it okay if why is his other leg sticking out? Is it no?
Yeah, you know what? We'll put a blanket on him. You know what? We do that so that we can. It's easier to check your ID bands and everything,
I see. Okay.
rather than pull them apart. You know. But I'll get a little blanket. I don't know if there's any. Let me look in the drawer.
Oh, AG, excuse
Let
me,
me just look a
baby.
second. No, I'll get him one and put it over him.
Oh, yeah,
His
thank you.
leg.
What's your feet?
Yeah, look. His eyes open. I know.
At least we don't have to go to the nursery. Nandito lang na.
Anong message sana?
Doon na ako.
No, I think she said someone's gonna help me.
I know.
You right?
She did. Walk?
Who's tiny? He has a
Ano, ano?
tiny foot.
What did you say?
And tiny
Is that her?
legs.
No, she's the
There's a band-aid on the back
Sa
of his
gabi
foot.
siya.
change.
Yeah, look. Go where Raisa is. Adrian.
Pakita
So you
mo
can see it.
lalagay mo sa Facebook.
You see it?
Excited yung luha.
It's just one thing.
Bigay.
Right.
Yung dalawa.
You like
Ay,
baby
lumabas yung dimples.
Hi. Hello. Hi. I have to get you freshened up in the ladies' room.
Okay.
Okay, let's just. Sorry. Should we just step out first?
Ha?
It'll just be a few minutes. Should we step